Hello everyone, welcome to our 230 inorganic chemistry session. This is CH230 coordination chemistry. Our today's topic is degeneracy. So degeneracy in atomic structure. What is exactly meaning of degeneracy? Degenerate is used in quantum mechanics. It is exactly meaning of degeneracy. That is meaning is equal energy. The numbers of different states of equal energy is called the degree of degeneracy or just degeneracy. Okay. For example, p orbital or the degeneracy of p orbital is 3. So degeneracy means having equal energy. Now let us discuss about degeneracy of different term symbols. There are different term symbols like S, P, D, F, G, H. These are terms or term symbols. So we can calculate degeneracy of these term symbols by using this formula like 2L plus 1 and 2S plus 1. 2L plus 1 into 2S plus 1. Okay. So what is L, S? In this case 2L plus 1, L is orbital type of coupling or ML value. Okay. Or sometimes it is also known as ML or orbital type of coupling. Or this one 2S plus 1 is spin type of interaction or spin coupling. So this 2S plus 1 is a spin multiplicity and L is equal to orbital number or orbital quantum number. Now we can calculate the degeneracy of S term, P term, D term or F term by using this formula like 2L plus 1 and 2L plus 1 into 2S plus 1. Okay. Now next point is Mulliken symbols. There are different Mulliken symbols like E, T2G, A1G, T1G, etc. These are Mulliken symbols and we can calculate the degeneracy of Mulliken symbols by using this formula. So this formula is spin multiplicity into total degeneracy. So what is spin multiplicity? Spin multiplicity, as we have already seen that how to calculate spin multiplicity in our Russell-Sounder terms. So this is formula to use to calculate spin multiplicity. This is 2S plus 1, that is spin type of interaction or spin coupling. Okay. So we can calculate spin multiplicity by using this formula. For Mulliken symbols, we can calculate degeneracy by using this one or this formula like spin multiplicity into total degeneracy. But in this case, that E, T2G, A1G, T1G, etc. are Mulliken symbols. And the total degeneracy of E is doublet. That's why the total degeneracy of E is equal to 2. T2G is triplet. Okay, that's why the total degeneracy of T2G is 3 and A1G is a singlet. That's why the total degeneracy of A1G is 1 and T1G is also triplet. That's why total degeneracy of T1G is 3. So the total degeneracy for E is equal to 2, T2G is 3, A1G is 1 and T1G and for T1G total degeneracy is 3. Okay, this is doublet, this is triplet, this is singlet and again this one is a triplet. Now we can use this formula to calculate degeneracy for Mulliken symbols. The formula is spin multiplicity or spin coupling into total degeneracy. Okay. Then third one is electronic configuration or for configuration. There are different configurations so we can calculate degeneracy by using this formula. So these are configurations or electronic configurations like T1G, EG, T2G, etc. These are electronic configurations. And when configurations are there, we can use this formula like n factorial divided by small n factorial into bracket n factorial minus n. Okay, capital N minus n. So what is meaning of this capital N or what is capital N factorial? This capital N factorial, if T1G term is there, then the T1G is triplet and that's why there are this one is a triplet and that's why there are 6 electrons or n is equal to the capacity of orbital to carry the total number of electrons. That's why for triplet it is 6, for doublet it is 4 and for singlet it is 2. So this n value is different for doublet, triplet and singlet. this n is how many electrons are there. This n indicates the number of electrons which are present in that particular configuration. If this configuration is T1G, or sometimes it is triplet T1G. Triplet means it's spin multiplicity. If there is triplet, okay, then that triplet is equal to, there are 3 electrons in T1G system or T1G configuration. That's why we can take n is equal to, the value of a small n is equal to 3. Okay, so we can calculate degeneracy for configurations or electronic configurations by using this formula, that is capital N factorial divided by n factor small n factorial into bracket capital N minus small n factorial. Okay, so there are 3 formulas. For term symbols, we can use this formula like 2l plus 1 into 2s plus 1. For Mulliken symbols, there are Mulliken symbols. Term symbols are all are capital letters S, P, D, F, G, H. Then Mulliken symbols, like these are also capital. Mulliken symbols are also E, T2G, A1G, T1G, etc. And last one is a configuration or electronic configurations like T1G, EG, T2G, etc. Okay, so we can use this formula, and for Mulliken symbols we can use spin multiplicity into total degeneracy to calculate degeneracy of that Mulliken symbol. Okay. Now, we will discuss some problems. Number 1, that is quartet T2G. Okay, this one is a quartet T2G. So, how to calculate degeneracy of quartet T2G? There is a spin multiplicity into total degeneracy. Spin multiplicity into total degeneracy, that is 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Okay, spin multiplicity is equal to 4 because that is, there is a quartet. So quartet is 4 and the total degeneracy, that orbital is triplets, that's why it is 3. So 4 into 3 is equal to 3. The next problem is triplet T. So what is triplet T? Triplet means spin multiplicity. We can use the formula spin multiplicity into total degeneracy. Okay. So what is spin multiplicity in triplet T? Triplet means 3 and that is spin multiplicity is equal to 2s plus 1. So that 3 is equal to spin multiplicity, and T means that orbital is triplet. That's why triplet shows total degeneracy is equal to 3. That's why spin multiplicity is equal to 3 and triplet orbital or total degeneracy of the T is equal to 3. So 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Okay, so that's why this final answer is 9, or the total degeneracy of triplet T is equal to 9. Now we will discuss some more problems like A1G. In this case, okay, here is first example like A1G. Singlet A1G is there. Okay, so in case of singlet A1G, there is a singlet A1G. So in this case, we can use this formula like spin multiplicity into total degeneracy. Okay, so spin multiplicity is 2s plus 1. So there is a spin multiplicity, that is singlet. Okay, so we can put that value into this spin multiplicity and total degeneracy. This is which type of orbital A1G is there, that's why it is singlet, and total degeneracy of that A1G is 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1. That's why singlet A1G having degeneracy is 1. Okay, then our next point is, next problem is 2T2G or doublet 2G. So here this one is a configuration or electronic configuration. So for this configuration we can use this formula like capital N factorial divided by small n factorial into bracket capital N minus small n factorial. Okay, so capital N is equal to the capacity of orbital to carry electron. So T is equal to triplet orbital, and that's why it carries total 6 electron. So there are total 6 electrons for T orbitals, and in this case there is 2T2G. So 2 electrons are there in T2G configuration. That's why small n is equal to 2. So 2 into 6 minus 2. Okay, so 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial into bracket 4 factorial. Now there are factors like 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 4. Now final answer is 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15. Okay, so this is final answer, and this 15 is, what is that meaning? What is the meaning of that 15? That 15 is degeneracy. This 15 is degeneracy of 2T2G configuration. This is electronic configuration, and that 15 is degeneracy of that configuration. Okay, now our next problem is triplet F. So what is that triplet F? Triplet F means this F is a term symbol. Okay, so this is triplet. Triplet means it is spin-spin multiplicity or spin-spin type of coupling is triplet. So we can use which formula? Like 2L plus 1 into 2S plus 1. We can use this formula to calculate degeneracy of that triplet F or that term symbol. For term symbol we use this formula. Okay, so now take S, P, D, F, G, H terms. S 0, P ml value is 1, for D ml value is 2. Okay, now in this case ml is equal to F, sorry, term is F, so ml value is equal to 3. If that term is F, then ml value must be 3. So L value is equal to 3, orbital coupling, or L value is equal to 3. So put the L value, that is 3, into this formula, and 2S plus 1, that is spin-spin coupling. So the value of spin-spin coupling is 3. Okay, so 2S plus 1 is equal to 3. So put that value 2S plus 1 and L is equal to 3 into that formula. Then you will get 2 into L is equal to 3. That's why 2 into 3 plus 1, and this 2S plus 1 is equal to also 3, spin-spin multiplicity. So this 2S plus 1, 2S plus 1 is equal to 3. Then final answer is 2 into 3 plus 1 into 3, that is 21. Okay, so this 21 is degeneracy of triplet F term. It is degeneracy for triplet F. Okay, then our last problem is sextet S. It's not 9, it's S. This is sextet S. So this sextet S is also term symbol. This is capital S, and that's why this sextet S is also term symbol. Okay, now how to calculate degeneracy of that term symbol? Same formula we are going to use, that is 2L plus 1 into 2S plus 1. Okay, for term symbols. Now this is sextet S. Now S, P, D, F, G, these are terms, and ml values for S is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now this is S term. S ml value is 0, means L is equal to 0. That's why I write down L is equal to 0, and spin-spin multiplicity, that is 6. So 2S plus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, so put that value into the formula. The formula is 2L plus 1 into 2S plus 1. So L is equal to 0 and 2S plus 1, that is spin-spin coupling, is equal to 6 because it is sextet. Okay, so 2 into 0 plus 1 into 6 is equal to 6. So this 6 is a total degeneracy of sextet S term. Okay, so we can calculate total degeneracy by using different formula. For terms or for term symbols, we used 2L plus 1 into 2S plus 1, this formula. For electronic configuration, we can use n factorial, capital N factorial divided by small n factorial into bracket n capital N minus small n factorial, and we can calculate degeneracy for configuration. And for Mulliken symbol, if Mulliken symbols are there, like singlet A1G, triplet T2G, then we can use spin multiplicity into total degeneracy. This is formula to calculate degeneracy of Mulliken symbols. So by using these three formula, we can calculate degeneracy of term symbols, Mulliken symbols and electronic configuration. Okay, thank you.